Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to pay your MoneyView loan using PhonePay. It's pretty easy, so let's get to it. Open up the PhonePay app. Make sure you're logged in and connected to the internet. On the home page, look for the Recharge and Pay Bill section. Tap on it. Scroll a bit or search for Loan Repayment. It's under the Financial Services section. Now from the list of lenders, find and tap on MoneyView. It's now time to enter your loan details. You'll need to enter your loan account number or registered mobile number, whichever MoneyView gave you. Check your EMI amount. PhonePay will now show you the EMI amount due and the due date. Make sure everything looks right. Make the payment using your preferred payment method, UPI, debit card, or anything you prefer. Tap Pay. Enter your UPI PIN, and that's it. Your EMI is paid. Hope this helps you out, and thank you for watching. See you!